In this video, we're gonna learn how to add Polygon network and sell our NFT. So we go to Google, we type MetaMask Polygon configuration. After we research for this MetaMask Polygon config, as you see here, we enter to the first website. You're gonna see the configurations below the website. You're gonna click here in the Ethereum mainnet to add network, the Polygon network, of course. We go here, as you see here, the network name, new RPS URL, chain ID, currency. You have to type all of this. After you do that, congratulations, you are adding the Polygon network, as you see here, and the same address. Finish it with 57. We did that to sell your item in the Polygon network. As you see here, you're gonna choose an image from your NFTs, from one of your NFTs, like we did here. Choose a cat image. We're gonna name her cat number 1, and we go to description. You type in whenever you want, like here we type this is. As you see here, we type, for example, the cutest cat in the world. You choose your collection, add properties, for example, eyes. Do you have blue eyes or brown eyes or black eyes? Body or hair, if you want, for example, his hair, or whatever you want. We type here hair, for example, dark. She has a dark hair, and we save. We go then to supply. Put the number of copies that can be minted. No gas cost to you. We have chosen the Polygon network, as we said, and save. Congratulations, there is your first NFT ready to sell it. So click on sell button to sell it. Type a number, for example 0.01 or 0.5. like here we type 0.01, $26. If you see here the service fee for OpenSea and creator royalty, if you sell it to another buyer, and then if he want to sell it, you will earn 5%. So guys, to sell our item, you have to complete listing. So as they show here, you have to unlock currency. To do that, you have to sign in MetaMask wallet. If you did this, they show an error. This error, they say that you have to submit a transaction with your wallet to trade with this currency. This only needs to be done once, for a one time. So if you want to ask a friend to send you a token or like that, if you see here, we're gonna send after we did a transaction and it succeed, as you see here. After we face this problem, we're gonna get back and try it another time. After we did this, we go to send a message. As you see here, we click the button send. Gonna wait a few seconds. Here it is succeed. Congratulations, your NFT is listed. If you want to share it on Facebook, on Twitter, or with your friends. After you see here, there is your NFT. Your current price is $300. Your details, you're minted for the first time. As you see here, you list your item. If someone wants to buy it, they buy it.